What's the matter? Are you scared? What? What? What's in my room? The balloons are gone, so what is it? What could possibly be scaring my beautiful guard dogs? What, Dashel? What is it? Shall we go look at it? Show me what's in here. It's a stuffed alpaca. Oh my gosh. Look how scary it is. You gonna go get it? Oh, you should get closer when I'm here, huh? What? What is it? We'll go get it. What about you, Ginger? Come on. Come on. It's okay. I'll sit with it. Then maybe you'll come closer. Come on. Come closer. Come sit. It's so scary. What if it moves? Oh, it moved. Come on. It's not evil. Oh my goodness. Wow. What a reaction for just a stuffed animal, guys. What's the matter? Come here. That's pathetic. Look, it's going to sit here. You can go hide over there. Good girl, Ginger. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good boy, Dash. Good boy. What is it? It's not scary. Oh, my poor babies. My babies. Come hide with me over here. Can sit on my lap even. Oh my gosh, you can't get any further up on me, children. Oh, no. Oh, shoot. Okay, well, I'm on the floor now. Thank you. It's so scary. Ow, my back.